everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make these delicious fried seafood deviled eggs. These tasted great and they were easy to make, so let's get started with the video. Begin by chopping some fresh chives and then set them to the side to use later. Next, in a large pot of water, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of liquid seafood boil. The vinegar helps you pick the crabs and the liquid seafood boil adds flavor. Bring the water to a boil and then cook 2 snow crab legs for about 5 minutes. When you finish cooking your snow crab legs, remove the meat from the crabs. When you're finished, set your crab meat to the side. Next, peel and devein some shrimp. When you're finished, add some butter to a pan over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, add your shrimp. Then add your seasonings. The seasonings I added were pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Old Bay, and paprika. Then proceed to saute your shrimp for about 4 to 5 minutes. When you finish cooking your shrimp, chop them into tiny pieces. Then set your shrimp to the side. Boil 6 eggs for 10 to 12 minutes. When your eggs have finished cooking, place them in an ice bath and then remove the shell from the eggs. And this is me trying out a trick I saw on TikTok where you use the spoon to remove the shell, but I couldn't do it as smoothly as the lady in the video. Next, cut your eggs in half and remove the yolk. Now mash the egg yolks with a fork. Next, add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 to 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of relish, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix that all together and then add 1/4 teaspoon of Old Bay hot sauce, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of your crab meat, and 2 tablespoons of your chopped shrimp. Then mix everything until well combined. When you're finished, set your mixture to the side. Next, in a bowl, beat 2 eggs, then in another bowl add panko breadcrumbs, and in one final bowl add flour. Now coat your egg whites in the flour, eggs, and panko. Then just repeat this process with the rest of your eggs. When you're finished, you can begin frying them. Fry your eggs for about 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. When your eggs have finished cooking, place them on a wire rack or a paper towel covered plate. Next, add your egg yolk mixture into a piping bag. Then pipe the mixture onto your eggs. After you've done that, add some snow crab meat on top, some chives, and a bit of paprika. Then repeat this process with the rest of your eggs. And this is the finished result. These came out beautifully, they tasted great, and they look awesome. I think these would make a great appetizer for like a barbecue or a get-together. Frying them gave them a nice crunch, but this is also optional, you don't have to fry them, mainly because the recipe still works whether you fry them or not. And the fresh chives on top made it even better. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!